Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the some important chemical properties of carboxylic acid. In that, first one, reduction of carboxylic acid. Okay. Now see, reduction of carboxylic acid. In this reaction, here I am taking ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid undergoes reduction. Reduction takes place in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, or you can take B2H6 diboron also best reduction reagent. Okay. So carboxylic acid undergoes reduction, then formation of alcohols you remember. Any carboxylic acid undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride or B2H6 diboron, then formation of alcohols. See here, lithium aluminum hydride diboron which can donate 4 hydrogen. In that, one hydrogen is replace the water molecule H2O. Remaining 3 hydrogens are there. In that, 2 for carbon, 1 for oxygen. Then formation of CH3, CH2, OH. Okay, this double one joined to the hydrogen. So then formation of ethanol, CH3, CH2OH plus H2OH will be formed. Okay. Then you take any compound. So very simple. Without changing any carbon number, direct coming to the alcohols. Same which is reacting with the lithium aluminum hydride or diboron. So then what happens to see? CH2OH it will be formed. CH2OH. So one hydrogen donate here, water molecule it will be go outside. 2 carbon for carbon, 2 hydrogen for carbon, 1 hydrogen for oxygen. CH3OH. On benzene, CH2OH plus H2. So it's a very simple one. For example, ethanoic acid, answer ethanol, alcohol. Undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Propanoic acid, propanol. Butanoic acid, butanol. So very simple one. Okay, right. Next, we'll discuss about the one important halogen substitution reaction. Halogen substitution reaction, that is Helvoland Jelinski reaction. So this is considered as a HVZ reaction. HVZ reaction. This is considered as a HVZ reaction. So in this reaction, halogen substitute the alpha position of the hydrogen. For example, see CH3C double bond OH, ethanoic acid, reaction with Br2 in the presence of red phosphorus. Carbonyl carbon adjacent to carbon, alpha carbon. Carbonyl carbon adjacent carbon, alpha carbon. This alpha position of hydrogens are said to be alpha hydrogen. These alpha hydrogens are substituted by the halogens, bromine or chlorine, whatever you take. So then formation of CH2Br, C double bond OH plus HBr it will be formed. 1, 2. 2-bromoethanoic acid it will be formed. For example, if you take propanoic acid, see red phosphorus. Propanoic acid. What is this? Propanoic acid. This propanoic acid reaction with Br2 in the presence of red phosphorus. Carbonyl carbon, adjacent carbon, alpha carbon. This carbon of hydrogens are substituted by the bromine. So then formation of answer is CH3, CHBr, C double bond OH plus HBr. 2-bromopropanoic acid is formed. What is 2-bromopropanoic acid is formed? What is this? 2-bromopropanoic acid is formed. Okay. Now, one very important thing here. So, sometimes they will ask the question like this also. For example, here I am taking same ethanoic acid, excess of Br2 they will mention. The friends of red phosphorus, excess of Br. So, if they are mentioned like that, carbon and carbon adjacent to carbon, alpha carbon. Alpha carbon has how many hydrogen? Those number of hydrogens are replaced by the bromine. So then formation of here CBr3 C double bond O OH it will be formed. We will discuss here nitration of benzoic acid. Nitration of benzoic acid. See, benzoic acid undergoes nitration on benzene C double bond OH group undergoes reaction with nitration. Means nitration nature is concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Then formation of metanitrobenzoic acid it will be formed. What is formula? Metanitrobenzoic acid. Sir, why metanitro only? Why not ortho and para? By seeing the mechanism, we can understand very clearly. So, nitration of benzoic acid is the best example for electrophilic substitution reaction. What is this? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. So, in this reaction, first step what happened? You know, first step generation of electrophile. What happened? Generation of electrophile. Electrophile should be generated. So first step here I am taking nitric acid. See, HNO2O, HNO3, HNO2O, HNO3, which is reaction with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, H2SO4. So oxygen of lone pair of electron attract the hydrogen from sulfuric acid. So that's why this nitric acid is act as a base, sulfuric acid act as a acid. You remember. So IIT 1988, they asked the question about this. In the nitration reaction of nitric acid is act as a base, sulfuric acid is act as a acid. Why? Because it is donating the proton, attracting proton. So that's why. So then formation of here HSO4 minus is formed. So here this compound, what happened? You know, see here oxygen has positive charge. So that's why which can remove the NO2 group without bond. This bond nothing but minus is neutralize the positive charge. Then formation of H2O plus NO2 plus. Plus means this is the electrophile. NO2 plus is a electrophile. See, here electrophile is generated. First step, generation of electrophile. Next step you see, here I am taking, see, benzoic acid. You understand this is the very important concept. Benzoic acid is undergoes minus R resonance effect. Minus R resonance effect. It means what happened? You know, this oxygen accept the pi bond. So then the bond shift here. You observe this is a very clear. O minus. Here positive charge is formed. Which position? Ortho position. So again this pi 1 shift here. O minus OH. See, in the resonance structure of benzoic acid, positive charge generated ortho as well as para. So if it is bond shift here also, again positive charge generated ortho position only. So that's why you understand here. If NO2 electrophile, NO2 plus electrophile, it won't join with the position. So it is already positive charge. In the resonance structure of benzoic acid, ortho position already positive charge is there. Para position already positive charge is there. Correct or not? So this is also positive charge in electrophile. So which is not joined at ortho and para position. So generally you remember, electron withdrawing groups are present. Electron withdrawing groups are present means carbonyl group is electron withdrawing group. So there is no electrophilic substitution reaction generally. Okay, in the drastic condition, NO2 plus which can join at except ortho and para position. Why? Because here positive charge repulsion takes place. Here also positive charge repulsion takes place. So that's why NO2 plus join at which position is empty? Meta position is empty. Why? Because there is no negative charge, there is no positive charge, but chances are there to join here. So that's why in benzoic acid, meta position nitro NO2 group is joined. You remember, this is the very important thing. Okay, right. Next, one important IIT JEE question. It's a very important IIT JEE question. Now see, here I am taking which is reaction with soda lime, then formation of A is reaction with NaOI, then formation of B. C plus C. B plus C. So question is that what are B and C compound? What are B and C compound? See. So it's a very important question. Now see, previous class already we discussed beta keto carboxylic acid undergoes fast decarboxylation reaction. So here also this is carboxylic acid group. So this is alpha beta keto carboxylic acid group undergoes decarboxylation. Already know soda lime means the mixture of NaOH plus CaO and heat. So undergoes decarboxylation readily. So then formation of C, decarboxylation means CO2 group is eliminated. Then what is found? You know, on benzene C double bond O CH3 will be formed. What is this? Acetophenone. Acetophenone is reaction with NaOI. NaOI. You recognize what is the reagent? NaOI is a iodoform reagent. Iodoform, which is we can mention as a NaOH plus I2 also they will mention. Sometimes they will mention NaOI also. You should recognize. So iodoform reaction also one technique is there. Carbonyl group adjacent one methyl group is there. That methyl group is undergoes iodoform test. So this methyl group is converted as a iodoform CH3 plus. Remaining except this CH group, remaining you add ONA. You add ONA. See, ONA. C double bond O, ONA it will be formed. So these are the very important compound. So iodoform is antiseptic compound. Next, sodium benzoate is a food preservative. What is this? Food preservative is found. Food preservative compound is found. So for ITJ question they are asking what are B and C. B and C are what are that? One antiseptic, another one food preservative. Maybe they will ask the question like this also. Okay. So you maximum focus on the function of every reagent. If you know the function of every reagent, you can solve any type of bit. Understood? Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.